The term agouti, Spanish, agouti, pronounced, uti, or common agouti designates several rodent species of the genus Dasyprocta. They are native to Middle America, Northern and Central South America, and the southern Lesser Antilles. Some species have also been introduced elsewhere in the West Indies. They are related to guinea pigs and look quite similar, but are larger and have longer legs. The species vary considerably in color, being brown, reddish, dull orange, grayish or blackish, but typically with lighter underparts. Their bodies are covered with coarse hair which is raised when alarmed. They weigh 2.4 to 6 kilograms, 5.3 to 13.2 pounds, and are 40.5 to 76 centimeters, 15.9 to 29.9 in length, with short, hairless tails. Confusingly, the related parka were placed by some authorities in a genus called agouti, though Cuniculus has priority and is the correct term also. In Western Africa, especially Ivory Coast, the name agouti designates the greater cane rat which, while an agricultural pest, is sought to be consumed as a delicacy bush meat. In Mexico, the agouti is called the serag. In Panama, it is known as the neck, and in eastern Ecuador, as the cuchusa. Agoutis have 5 front and 3 hind toes. The first toe is very small. The tail is very short or non-existent and hairless. The molar teeth have cylindrical crowns, with several islands and a single lateral fold of enamel. Agoutis may grow to be up to 60 centimeters, 24 in length and 4 kilograms, 8.8 pounds, in weight. Most species are brown on their backs and whitish or buff on their bellies. The fur may have a glossy appearance and then glimmers in an orange color. Reports differ as to whether they are diurnal or nocturnal animals. In the wild, they are shy animals and flee from humans, while in captivity they may become trusting. In Trinidad, they are renowned for being very fast runners, able to keep hunting dogs occupied with chasing them for hours. Agoutis are found in forested and wooded areas in Central and South America. Their habitats include rainforests, savannas and, nowadays, cultivated fields, depending on the species. They conceal themselves at night in hollow tree trunks or in burrows among roots. Active and graceful in their movements, their pace is either a kind of trot or a series of springs following one another so rapidly as to look like a gallop. They take readily to water, in which they swim well. When feeding, agoutis sit on their hind legs and hold food between their forepaws. They may gather in groups of up to 100 to feed. 6. They eat fallen fruit, leaves and roots, although they may sometimes climb trees to eat green fruit. They will hoard food in small, buried stores. In a pinch, they have also been seen eating the eggs of ground-nesting birds and even shellfish on the seashore. Sometimes, they can cause damage to sugarcane and banana plantations.